Welcome to our factory. Today, you'll show you exactly how smartphones are made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Achieving these material tolerances required extreme precision. Our machines are calibrated to meet the highest machining.
Every component is installed with extreme precision to ensure peak performance. Every smartphone is thoroughly tested before leaving the factory.
And that's how smartphones are made. Med visits on Utstopperdays, from start to finish.